Padshahi. Underline that. Which means which meant Hindu to rule India. He declared, Baji Rao I declared that he would expand the Maratha Empire. Up to Attock in Sindh. Up to Attock in Sindh, where river Indus Sindhu Nadi, where river Indus joins Arabian Sea. Where river Indus joins Arabian Sea. Full stop. Next paragraph. An expert in guerrilla war, Guerrilla. Baji Rao I, an expert in guerrilla war, Guerrilla, guerrilla war, and was called Second Shivaji. Underline Second Shivaji. For his expertise in the war. Expertise in the war. Full stop. Next paragraph. He conquered. Peshwa Baji Rao I conquered. Conquered. He occupied or conquered. Malwa. Malwa. He conquered Malwa, Khandesh, and Bundelkhand. He conquered Malwa, Khandesh, and Bundelkhand. Full stop. Next. In 1730, next paragraph, 1730. In 1730, he defeated Sambhaji II. Shamba, Sambhaji, Sambhaji, Roman figure 2. Sambhaji II, son of Tarabai, and occupied Kolhapur. Kolhapur. He made Sambhaji II, Roman figure 2. Sambhaji II, to accept the authority of Sahu, Chhatrapati Sahu, authority of Sahu of Kolhapur, Sahu of Satara. Sahu of Satara. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Any questions, please ask me. I don't know what questions you have. అడగడానికి నీకు మొహమాటం అయితే నేనేం చేయలేను. నాకు తెలుసు చాలా మందికి అర్థం కాలేదు నేను చెప్పింది ఏందో. కనీసం రాసుకుంటుంటే అన్న అర్థమవుతుంది. రాయండి. సాహు ఆఫ్ సతారా. ఫుల్ స్టాప్. నెక్స్ట్ paragraph, next point. In 1739, his brother, whose brother? Baji Rao I's brother. His brother, Baji Rao I's brother, Chimaji Appa, Chimaji Appa defeated the Portuguese. Chimaji Appa defeated the Portuguese and occupied Salsette and Bessain. Salsette and Bessain. Full stop. Next. In 1739, next paragraph, same year, 1739. In 1739, Nadir Shah, Nadir, Nadir Shah, of Persia attacked India, attacked Delhi, full stop. Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah requested Peshwa Baji Rao. Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah requested Peshwa Baji Rao for help. Peshwa's policy was inverted commas, policy of no interference. Policy of no interference in Delhi politics. Full stop. Mughal Empire disintegrated. Mughal Empire declined or disintegrated completely. Mughal Empire disintegrated completely after Nadir Shah's invasion. After Nadir Shah's invasion in 1739, 1739. Full stop. Next paragraph. Peshwa was connected with, Peshwa Baji Rao connected with court dancer Mastani, M-A-S-T-A-N-I, Mastani incident. Court dancer, C-O-U-R-T, court dancer Mastani incident, Mastani episode or incident. Full stop. Next. He was an excellent painter. Baji Rao was an excellent painter. Right. Now give the subheading. Third Peshwa, Balaji Baji Rao. Third Peshwa, Balaji Baji Rao, within brackets, 1740, 1740 to 61, brackets close. His actual name, Nana Sahib, N-A-N-A, Nana Sahib, S-A-H-I-B, full stop. He became Peshwa at the age of 18, 18, full stop. Next paragraph. Maratha Empire expanded. Maratha Empire expanded. Maximum during his times. Full stop. He was called, Balaji Baji Rao he was called, inverted commas, the founder of the Greater Maratha Empire. Founder of the Greater Maratha Empire. Inverted commas close. Underline that, very important. Are you understanding? Greater Maratha Empire. Full stop. Next paragraph. In 1749, Chhatrapati Sahu died. Sahu died without son and successors. Without son and successor. S-U-C-C-E-S-S-O-R, successor. Full stop. He requested Peshwa to declare. Sahu requested Peshwa to declare Ramaraj, grandson of Tarabai, as Chhatrapati. Full stop. Next paragraph. In 1751, Peshwa Balaji Baji Rao removed Ramaraj as Peshwa. He removed Ramaraj as Chhatrapati. Removed Ramaraj as Chhatrapati because Tarabai interfered in politics. Because his grandmother Tarabai interfered in politics.